Pope Francis support me as DJ of Tinubu Shettima 2023 campaign. Say the Muslim ticket thing no be Yawa. Governor Lalong na him talk this one. Governor Simon Lalong will be governor of Plateau State and chairman for Northern Governors Forum and constitute body as Director General of Tinubu Shettima campaign, don thank President Muhammadu Buhari for all the ogbonge work with federal government they do for Plateau State. Governor Lalong yarn tori people after the meeting wey shell on Wednesday say President Buhari don approve plenty projects wey go benefit the people of Plateau.
We just got approval making University of Jos as a cancer center. I saw about 3-point-something billion approved and a special center for cancer. So it's not a small achievement. The president approved the establishment of an orthopedic hospital, the only one in the North Central, and he approved Plateau State. He also approved the establishment of a federal medical center in Wase. Another one is the Federal Polytechnic starting this year. Mr. President also approved the conversion of our College of Education, Pansin, to a Federal University of Education, and immediately approved the establishment of another Federal College of Education. We were just celebrating that one. When we understand that Mr. President has also approved the establishment of the Nigerian Law School, the Zonal Law School for North Central, and is established in Jos.
Governor Lalong talk say Plateau they happy with President Buhari and the way them go take pay am back na to choose a ogbonge person wey go continue from where he go stop.
The fact that the president has done these things in Plateau State, the best thing you can do to the president is to follow his direction on whoever will take over from him. That is one way of paying him back for what he has done. Today, the confidence is placed highly on the people of Plateau State by the appointment of the man that is going to spearhead the campaigns. So if we lose that election, it means we don't have confidence in President Muhammadu Buhari.
For the matter when concern APC Muslim ticket and in position as DG of Tinubu Shettima campaign organization, Lalong constantly talk say,
I don't even know where they are. I hold a papal knight. And as a Catholic, everything we do, we send the advice to the Pope. The Pope has not told me that what I'm doing is bad. But generally, as a governor of a state, I'm not responsible to only my faith. When it comes to politics, it's a matter of choice, matter of interest. All we are talking about is good leadership. We can come from any religion. I am a member of the APC. I will say a founding member of the APC. I don't do anti-party activities. If at any time some people who wanted to be VT lost out and they are using religion, they should not use me to help them.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.